Hello. Please let me know, am I audible or the class is visible to you properly? Yes. Yes. Hello, namaste and welcome. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard platform. How are you? I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very best possible manner. See, if you are feeling stuck in doing quantitative aptitude questions, especially in advanced part, so you are watching the right video, you are at the right platform. So I am going to provide you the solution. See, I come live on daily basis at 4 p.m. and we have started advanced section. Slowly and gradually we are covering each and every topic at the YouTube channel, at this channel, right? And this is free for all. If you want to do the things in a systematic manner, so keep on taking classes on daily basis and practice for the same. So you will find yourself easy in doing the questions, and we will discuss the latest approach, latest questions, right? So let's start without wasting the time. So today we will learn a very important tool of the algebra. See, in algebra we can have or we can see 20 to 25 types, right? If we get orientation about all the types, right? So you can easily do the questions of algebra, because in advance or any topic of the advance, whether we talk about the algebra, trigonometry, geometry, whatever it is, right? There are some situations, there are some conditions, right? If you are able to spot those conditions easily, so in that case you will be able to do the questions with ease, right? If you are doing them with a basic approach, right, or traditional approach without spotting the condition, so you wouldn't be able to do all the questions in time, right? So whatever you need, you need a skill of observation, right, to identify those conditions. If that condition is clearly visible to you, right, if you are able, you have an eye to see that condition, so you can do the question in just few seconds, right? Otherwise you will waste your time or you will end in mess, right? So let's see what we will learn in today class, right? See, in today class we will going to learn about the value putting approach, right? So this is the miracle, right? So you will find solving the questions without any formula, without any logic or without any concept, right? Just with the help of common sense we are going to solve each and every thing, right? So this class is going to be very amazing to you all guys, right? So let's start, right? So first question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, if x plus y is equal to 9, find x cube plus y cube plus 27xy. Tell me everyone, what would be the answer? Yes, please. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. See, so first of all, I'm going to tell you both ways, right? I'm going to tell you both way, the basic approach as well as the exam approach, right? So today we will learn the value putting approach. See, if I get this question, so normal or average student will start trying to do this question with the fundamental or with the basic concepts. What is that fundamental, right? See, they will do that. We know that x plus y is equal to 9. Now the question is demanding what is the value for x cube plus y cube plus 27xy, right? So after having observation on this, so normal student or we can say intelligent student will do what? He will start cubing both sides. So he will do cube both sides, okay? Cube both sides. So these are those students who are intelligent, right? So they have good command on the formula, right? So they will make cube of both sides, right? So just make cube of both sides, okay? X plus y cube is equal to 9 cube, right? So we will get x cube. What is the formula? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y is equal to, what is the cube of 9? That is 729, right? So just simply put the value of x plus y is equal to 9. So we can say that x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into 9, right? Or we can substitute the value of x plus y is equal to 729. So we can say that x cube plus y cube plus 9 into 3, that is 27xy. So this is equal to 729. This is equal to 729. So we can simply say that x cube plus y cube plus 27xy is equal to 729, right? So with this we can solve the question, no problem. But this is a basic approach. See, it will take time. If you remember the formula, you can do that, right? See, what is the common sense approach? See, here we are going to use the value putting approach. What is the value putting approach? Need not to remember any formula, right? You have to remember only one or two things. You have to apply your common sense. See, here we have only one equation. Here we have only one equation. So we have to compare the number of equation, and the number of variables. So we have to compare two things, right? The number of equation and number of variables. So we can say that here the number of equation is 1 and number of variable are 2. So how many variables are more than the number of equation? So we have one extra variable, right? So here we can let the extra variable freely according to my own choice, right? I can let them, I can suppose them, I can assume them, right? So it's better to take a very easy value, right? So that we can solve. So see, here one variable is extra. So let's suppose x is equal to 0. So here we have assumed one variable, that is 0. According to my, I have assumed it. So I can assume, I can give any value according to myself, according to my convenience. I can assume, I can give any value to the extra variable, right? So I have one variable extra. Okay, my dear friend, I have one variable extra. So I can give any value according to my own will, own choice, right? So I have chosen 1, I have chosen 0, right? So if I choose 0, x is equal to 0, so y is equal to would be 9, right? If I suppose I assume that x is equal to 1, then y would be 8. If I assume that x is equal to 2, y would be 7, right? If I assume that x is equal to 3, then y would be 6, right? If I assume that x is equal to 4, y would be 5, right? So I can assume one variable. So it's better to take any value which will ease the calculation, right? Which will make the task easy, right? So here if I assume x is equal to 0, so it will make my task very easy. It will make my task very easy, right? See, now I put x is equal to 0. So 0 cube means 0. 9 cube plus 0 into something 0. So 9 cube is equal to what? 729. So without pen and paper I can answer this question. The answer is 729. Yes, answer is 729. I think the concept is clear to you all. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. See how the value putting approach is working. See, now I am going to tell you value putting approach, right? Value putting approach. We are not going to solve the questions with the formulas. We are using to value putting approach and common sense. We are going to solve each and every question. See, value putting approach. So here the number of equations. See, number of equations. So we have only one equation, right? Now focus the number of variables. Number of variables. So we have two variables, right? Okay. Is this perfect? Is this okay, guys? So the number of variable are 2, number of equation are 1. So how many variables are extra? So we have one extra variable in comparison to equation. So we can let this extra variable according to my choice, right? According to my convenience, I can suppose it. Suppose x is equal to 0. So I can let anyone. I can assume y is equal to, if you want to assume y is equal to 0, you can. So x would be what? 7. If y is equal to 0, then x would be 7. So just put these values in the target. So what is the target? We have to calculate the value of x cube plus y cube plus 21xy, right? So I can say that 7 cube plus 0 cube 0 plus 27 into 7 into 0, it will become 0. So 7 cube what? 343. So 343 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. No need to use any formula. No need to use any formula. Clear cut. Okay. So clearly we can say that the answer is, thank you very much, thank you very much. See, so the answer is 343. So 343 is the right answer. See, you will see the miracles. We will do each and every question without formula, just by using value putting approach, right? So this is a very good approach. See, x to the power 52 plus 1 upon x to the power 52. Here one variable, one equation. So we can assume any value which is going to satisfy the equation, right? So here we can say that if I suppose let x is equal to 1, let x is equal to 1. So x to the power 52, so 1 to the power 52. 1 to the power any value, it will provide us 1. So 1 plus 1 upon 1. So it is satisfying the equation, right? It is satisfying the equation. So we can assume a value which is going to satisfy the given equation, right? So x is equal to 1 is satisfying, fully satisfying the equation. So we can say that x to the power 59, 1 to the power 59, 1, 1 upon 1 to the power 59, 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So clearly we can say that D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Okay. So let's move to the next question. See, x to the power 50 plus 1 upon x to the power 50 is equal to 2. Find the value of x to the power 99 plus 1 upon x to the power 79. So simply we can say that x is equal to 1. Assume or let x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, so we can say that 1 to the power 51, 1 upon 1, it is completely satisfying the given equation. If it is completely satisfying the given equation, so let put 1 is equal to 1 to the power 99 plus 1 upon 1 to the power 79. So I will get 1. 1 to the power any value, I will get 1, right? So answer is 2. 2 is the right answer. Just having observation on the given situation question, I can answer. The answer is 2. Yes, 2 is the right answer. 2 is the right answer. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, here x to the power 51 plus 1 upon x to the power 51 is equal to minus 2. See, we know that the power of minus 1 is odd, right? If the power of minus 1 is odd, so I will get minus 1. Yes. So let assume x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So we can say that minus 1 to the power 51, I will get minus 1 here plus 1 upon minus 1. So it is completely satisfying the equation. So we can say that x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 75 plus upon minus 1 to the power 75. So the answer would be minus 1 upon 1. So see, so minus 1 minus 2 is the right answer. Okay. So B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes. So now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. So just be careful and tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, x to the power 51 plus 1 upon x to the power 51 is equal to minus 2. So simply I can say that let x is equal to minus 1. So this will completely satisfy. So just put minus 1 to the power 78 plus 1 upon minus 1 to the power 78, right? So we know that the power of minus 1 is even, right? So even power of minus 1 will provide or will give us 1, right? So positive 1. So we can say that here I will get positive 1. plus 1 upon 1. So 1 upon 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. So please tell me what is the answer for this question. See, now you can say that x is equal to minus 1, satisfying the equation. So minus to the power 78. So it will give us plus 1 minus to the power 77 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. See how smoothly you are doing the question, right? How smoothly you are doing the question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. Be fast, be quick. So this is the best approach you would have ever seen, right? But there are some things you have to be careful, you have to be remember. I will tell you each and everything in detail. Just keep on watching till end, right? See, x to the power 21 plus 1 upon x to the power 21, odd power. So we can freely assume x is equal to minus 1 will satisfy the equation. So minus 1 to the power even. So I will get what? Minus 1 to the power even means I will get plus 1, right? Minus 1 to the power 58. So here plus 1, 1 upon 1. So I will get 2. So 2 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes. Is this clear? Yes, dear. See, learning is a two-way process. If you are not actively participating in learning, right? So this learning will become the passive learning. This will not be the active learning, right? So there are two types of learning, active learning and passive learning. So passive learning is a slow learning and active learning is a fast learning, right? If you want to be in the active learning, so just keep on responding, keep on commenting, right? Keep on sharing the things, keep on liking, because it provides us energy, right? It provides us some kick, right? So that we can give you effective, efficient approach of doing the questions, okay? So let's move to the next question. Tell me what would be the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1, then find the value of this. X minus y is equal to 1, then find the value of x cube minus y cube minus 3 bracket xy minus 2. So here we can say that let y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, then I will get x is equal to what? 1. So just put these values. So I will get what? So x is equal to 1. So 1 to the power cube 1, 0 to the power cube minus 3, 1 into 0 minus 2. So here I will get 1, 0. So minus 3 bracket 0 minus 2. So minus 2 what? Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus plus. So it will become plus 6, okay? So 7 would be the right answer, yes? 7 would be the right answer. So 7 is the right answer, yes? 7 is the right answer. 7 is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please, everyone. See, P minus 2Q is equal to 4. Find PQ minus 8Q3 minus 24 PQ minus 64. See, here we can assume that let q is equal to 0. If q is equal to 0, so p would be equal to 4, right? So just put these values or substitute the value of p or q in the demand question, right? So target is pq. So pq means 4q minus 8. Q is equal to 0. So 0q minus 24 into 4 into 0 minus 64. So this will become 0. This will become 0. So 64 minus 0 minus 0 minus 64. 64 get cancelled. 0 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. A plus B plus 1 is equal to 0. Find AQ plus BQ plus 1 minus 3AB. So here simply we can say that let A is equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, so B is equal to would be minus 1, right? If A is equal to 0, then B will become minus 1. Simply, so just substitute the value of A and B in the targeted question, right? So A is equal to 0. So 0 to the power 3 plus minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 minus 3 into 0 minus 1, right? So this will become 0 minus 1 plus 1. This will become 0. So minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0 is the right answer. D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. See, here x plus 2 upon x is equal to 3. So number of equation is equal to number of variable. So here we have to assume a value for the variable so that it can satisfy the given condition, right? So here if I assume that let x is equal to 1. If I assume that x is equal to 1, so it will satisfy the equation. Yes, 1 plus 2 divided by 1, 2. So now this is satisfying the equation, right? So just put x is equal to 1. So 1 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 2 minus 4 into 1 plus 4. So simply we can say that 1 minus 1 minus 4 plus 4, right? Minus 4 plus 4. So cancel, get cancelled, 0. So 0 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, 0 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. No problem. No problem at all. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, AQ plus BQ plus 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square is equal to 4, right? See, square, square, square. So this would be equal, right? So all portion must be equal, right? Is equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 terms. So all must be equal to 1, right? So that they can, so we can say that if let A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So it is clearly satisfying the equation. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is what? Equal to 4. Now it is clearly satisfying the equation, right? So we can say that AQ, 1Q means 1 plus BQ, see, plus 11. So we can say that 1 plus 1 plus 11. So completely it is 13. So 13 is the right answer. 1, 3, 13 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. C, Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, yes. Sir, I think definitely you will get the job. If you are scoring 315, it means this is a raw score. So definitely your score is higher than that, right? Because after normalization, you will get the your score increase, right? So there is a lots of chances, or there is enough chances to get selected. So very good, congratulations to you. Just have patience, right? So definitely you will get selection, because 315 is a not bad score, right? It is a good score. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. So everyone requested, please like and share the channel and subscribe it also if you have not subscribed it till now. See, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Then find the value of this. See, here we have 3 variable, right? Equation is 1. So 2 variable is extra in comparison to equation. So freely I can assume I can give any value to 2 variable. Okay. So let x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, right? So z would also be 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 means 0 is equal to 0. So we have to avoid the situation 0 is equal to 0, 0 divided by 0 and 0 into 0. We have to avoid these situation. We have to avoid this situation, right? So we can say that, let's suppose x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 0. So now this will satisfy the equation. Is this clear? I hope this is very much clear. So now put the value x is, see, we have to avoid this situation, right? When I am assuming any value for any variable, so this situation must not create. This situation must not generate. If this situation is arising, if this situation is cropping up, so it will create trouble for us, right? So we have to refrain from this situation. We have to avoid these situations, right? Is this clear? So we have to avoid these situations. See, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So we can say that x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 0. Just put these values in this. Okay. So 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 0 square, right? So directly you can say that 1 plus 1 plus 0, right? And minus 1 square minus 1 into 0. So here I will get 1 plus 1 plus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. So 2 by 1. So 2 by 1, 2 is the right answer. Yes, 2 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Very good, very good. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. So this question is also based on the same pattern. Yes. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please, everyone. Perfect. See, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Find the value x square plus 3y square plus z square divided by 2y square minus xz. So simply we can say that let x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 0. So this will satisfy the equation. Yes. So just put the value. So directly we can say that 1 square is 1. So 3 into minus 1 square means 1. So 3 into 1. See, if you want to put, you can like, or directly you can put the value, right? So z is equal to 0. So simply we can say that here I will get 1. So directly you can write like 1 plus 3 plus 0 divided by 2 minus 0. So 4 divided by 2. So 2 is the right answer. 2 is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes. B Bombay is the right answer. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes. Be fast, be quick. See. So directly we can say that x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 0. See, 1 square 1 minus 1 square also 1, 0 square 0. So xy minus 1, yz 0, zx 0. So I will get 2 divided by minus 1. So minus 2 is the right answer. Yes, minus 2 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Minus 2 is the right answer. Yes, minus 2 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please, everyone. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, let x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 0, right? So here I will get 2 into 1 square 1, so plus 3 plus 0. Here I will get what? Minus 1, 0, 0, okay? So 5 divided by minus 1, so minus 5 is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. X plus y plus z is equal to 0. Find x square divided by xy plus y square divided by yz plus z square divided by xz. Yes, please. So clearly I can say that x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 0. So simply I can say that x square, so 1 divided by y, 1, yes, minus 1 plus, here I will get what? I will get minus 1 square 1 divided by 0. See, we have to avoid a situation when, because it will give us infinity, right? So we have to avoid this, right? So we have to avoid this situation. We have to avoid this form, okay? So we cannot assume these values now. Now we cannot assume these values. So we can assume any value which is going to satisfy the equation but not generating this form, right? So we have to avoid this form, 0 into 0, 0 upon 0. So these forms must be avoided, right? So we have to refrain from these forms, okay? So we can say that let x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 2, right? If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 or z is equal to minus 2, so it will satisfy the situation. See, 1 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0, satisfying. So now just put the value. So we can say that 1 square means 1 upon 1 into 1, 1, okay? Plus y square means 1. So y minus z, so y into z, so 1 into minus 2, I will get minus 2. Yes, yes or no? Is this clear? See, if it is not clear, so just put 1 square divided by 1 into 1 plus 1 square divided by 1 into minus 2, okay? Plus minus 2 square divided by 1 into minus 2. Simple. So here I will get 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 4 upon minus 2. Simple. So I can say that 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 2, right? So this will become what? So clearly I can say that half. So 1 upon 2 minus 2. So this will become LCM 2, 1 minus 4. So minus 3 by 2 is the right answer. Minus 3 by 2 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Very good question. So B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So I hope this thing is very much clear to you all. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, everyone please. So here we can assume let A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 2. Yes, yes please. Then find 3ABC divided by A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. So simply we can say that 3 into 1 into 1 into minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 bracket 1 minus 2 bracket minus 2 plus 1. So simply we can say that minus 6 divided by 2 into minus 1 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. So simply we can say that minus 6 divided by 2, minus minus plus. So by 2 it is cancelled, minus 3. So minus 3 is the right answer. D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. Okay, so let's move further. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Very good question. Try this question. See, When you will see the solution of this question, you will definitely feel wonder, you will definitely feel amazed, right? So there is a very amazing method to solve this type of questions, right? Whenever you get these type of questions in exam, so you feel that how you can solve, because if you are going to use the formulas, so it will take much time, right? But value putting approach, you can solve all these questions like this, okay? In just in a snap, you can solve all these questions. Yes, please try this question. See, PQ plus QQ plus RQ minus 3PQR is equal to 4. A is equal to Q plus R, B is equal to R plus P, C is equal to P plus Q. Then what is the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC? Yes, please. See, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equations, 6 variable. So there are 2 extra. Whenever we have extra variable, so we can assume them freely. Means we can give any value to them, right? When extra variable we have, so for extra variable we can assume, we can give any value freely. So we can start from 0, because 0 is very helpful, right? It will reduce the calculation. So let P is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 0, because this we can give freely, okay? So if P is equal to 0, Q is equal to 0, so from the first equation, so 0 to the power Q, 0 to the power Q, 0, so I will get RQ, so this will become 0, so RQ is equal to 4, yes or no? If I put P is equal to 0, Q is equal to 0, so in that case RQ is equal to 4 according to the first equation. According to the second equation, I will get A is equal to Q plus R, A is equal to Q plus R and Q is equal to 0, so A is equal to R, yes or no? Second equation, B is equal to, see, B is equal to R plus P, so P is equal to 0, it means B plus R. See, A is equal to Q plus R means 0 plus R, so is equal to R. B is equal to R plus P, P means 0 is equal to R, and C is equal to what? 0 plus 0, it will become 0. So just substitute these values, in the final target question, right? Or target question is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. See, we have to find the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. So we can say that AQ means RQ plus BQ means RQ plus CQ means 0Q minus 3 into R into 0, it will become 0. So we can say that 2RQ is the final. So we know that RQ is equal to 4. Just substitute the value of RQ. So 2 into 4. See, 8 is the right answer. 8 is the right answer. So my dear friend, this is the best and quickest approach. By this approach, you can solve this question in just few seconds. In 3 to 4 seconds, you can conclude this question. Else, if you are trying other approach, so it will waste your time, right? Yes, clear? So let's move to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, so here is only one equation, 2 variable. So let A is equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, so we can say that 0. So it will 0 plus B square plus 0 plus root 0 plus B square minus 0 is equal to what? 1. So here I will get B plus B is equal to 1. So 2B is equal to 1. So B is equal to what? 1 by 2. Simply I got B is equal to 1 by 2. So just substitute this value in the target question. So target question is here what? 1 minus a square, a is equal to 0. And 1 minus b square is what? 1 upon 2 square. Okay, simple. So simply we can say that 1 into 1 minus 1 upon 4. So 1 into 3 by 4. So simply 3 by 4 is the right answer. 3 by 4 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. See, is this clear? Yes. So 3 by 4 is the right answer. 3 by 4 is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, if root 1 minus p square into 1 minus q square is equal to root 3 by 2, then what is the value of this? Just try this question. So just assume, let p is equal to 0. If p is equal to 0, so we can say that 1 minus 0 square 0 is equal to 1 minus q square is equal to root 3 by 2. So just square both side, okay? Square both side. Square both sides. So I will get what? 1 minus q square is equal to 3 by 4. So simply we can say that q square is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. I will get 1 by 4. So q is equal to 1 by 2, right? Q is equal to 1 by 2. So just put q is equal to 1 by 2 and p is equal to 0. P is equal to 0. Q is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So here I will get what? 0. So I can say that root 2 into 1 upon 2 square means 1 upon 4. Likewise 0, 0, q is equal to 1 by 2. So I will get 2 into 1 upon 4. So simply I will get 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2. So 2 upon root 2, 2 upon root 2 means what? Root 2, okay. So root 2 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. If you are not able to do this question, 2 divided by root 2, how you get the root 2? So it's better to quit the preparation, right? Sorry, I just joking. If you don't know, see, we can write it root 2 into root 2 means 2 divided by root 2. By root 2 get cancelled. So I will get root 2. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's move forward. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. So I told you, my dear student, we have to avoid the formation of 0 upon 0, 0 into 0 or any number divided by 0, because these are the formation through which we get infinity, right? So we have to avoid the infinity. Okay. See, now let a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1, because we have 6 variable and 3 equations. 6 variable, 3 equation. So 3 variable extra. So we can assume all 3 according to, I cannot use 0 because in denominator I will get 0. So I can assume 1. So I assume a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. So let a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. So this is the free will. So according to my choice, I can give any value, right? 2. So I will get here what? X is equal to 1 upon 1, 1 plus 1. Okay, so 2. Yes, is this clear? See, if I say that x, so 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1, it will give us 2. Common sense. So directly I can say that y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 2. Simple. So just put the value of x, y, z in the target question. So the question is asking x, y, z into, so 2 into 2 into 2 minus 2 square minus 2 square minus 2 square. So here I will get what? 8 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. So this is cancelled. Minus 4 is the right answer. So B Bombay is the right answer. Minus 4 is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes. So I hope this is very much clear. B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, everyone. Yes, please. See, if x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3, 1 plus x, y, z, so p is equal to, q is equal to, r is equal to 6 variable, 4 equation, 2 variable I can let, so let x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So I will get 0 q 0, 0 0 q, so z q, so from here, so I will get z q is equal to what? 3 bracket 1 plus 0. So z q is equal to what? 3. And p is equal to what? See, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so p is equal to z. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, q is equal to z, and r is equal to what? Minus z, because 0 0. Yes. So just substitute the value in the target question. Okay. So p is equal to z, so zq, q is equal to z, zq, and r is equal to minus z. So minus zq minus 3 into z into minus z. So simply we can say that 2zq minus zq minus minus plus. So plus 3zq. Yes, is this clear? So I can simply say that, so this will give us 4zq, and the value of zq is what? Just substitute the value of zq, that is 3. So I will get 4 into 3, so 12 is the right answer. Yes, 12 is the right answer. 1 to 12 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. So I hope this thing is very much clear to you all. So let's move to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, we have x1, x2, x3 is equal to this. So just assume any value. If I say that according to the situation, if I assume let x1 is equal to x2 is equal to x3 is equal to 4. If I assume this, right? So will it satisfy the condition? Will it satisfy the equation? Yes. Yes, it is. Will it satisfy the condition? Yes, it is. It will satisfy the condition. See, x is equal to, so 4 into 4 into 4 means 64. So 4 bracket 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 12 into 4 satisfying. So simply I can say that 1 upon 2 plus 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 4. So I will get 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. 6 is the LCM, 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 1 by 2 is the right answer. Very good. B part is the right answer. See, simply we solved all questions, although they were seems very terrific, very risky, very tough, very complex, but we solved all the problems with ease, without hesitation, right? In just few seconds, we solved all the questions through the value putting approach. So my dear friend, value putting approach is very much amazing, right? So this is all from my side. So my dear student, you can join our official Telegram channel, right? If you have any kind of query, concern or questions, so feel free to WhatsApp your query on this number, right? So, and one more information from my side to all guys, just go to the oliveboard website, right? Type oliveboard, you will get this, right? Just click on this. So you will get such interface, right? You will get such interface, right? So presently there is a 52% off. Okay. See, just click on the course, that is SSC Railway. Okay. So here is, see, so these are the new things. So there is a very important information to you. So we have now we have SSC Super Elite for all English medium courses, right? Only for English medium courses we have separate Super Elite, right? So SSC Super Elite. So what is SSC Super Elite? So let me tell you. In this you will get each and everything, whichever or whatever exam is going to be conducted by the SSC or SSC functional bodies, right? So you will get the material for each exam from this package, right? So you will get 2000 plus 7 sessions. So this is a big number in itself. 750 mock test, very big number. Practice plus doubt clearing session. Okay. So 300 plus concept videos. See, concept videos. It means if you are preparing from the scratch, from the zero, so you can, right? So you can gain the confidence. Feel free to watch each and every concept video because they are going to be very much beneficial for you. GK, subject notes, learning math, each and everything you will get, right? Nothing will be left. So you are in the safe mode. So after clicking on subscription, you will get two options, right? If you are preparing only for SSC, so go for SSC Super Elite, right? If you are preparing for SSC and Railway, then go for the combo for SSC and Railway, right? See, so how you can check? So if you click on this, so you can apply the code. Code is start. No invalid. So code is what? See, we have to check the code. See, just go click on the oliveboard, right? So I think we are not getting. Sorry. See, we are not getting the code. I think the code we can apply. So we can check. We will get the code like. Special invalid. See, so you can, after reaching the website, you will get the code. Okay, so the icon is not coming. Okay, so after applying the code, you will get the price. So I think there is a 49% off, right? So almost 50%, right? Half of this, right? So these are the two things which you can check it out. So this is my personally request. So you can subscribe any of both, right? Any of two you can subscribe, right? So it will be much or beneficial for you so that you can systematically or in an arranged way you can prepare for yourself. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind. This is all from my side.